This channel will be centered around my project car. Her name is Zena. She is a 2004 BMW 325 Ci that we are putting a 2J in. So I'm super excited about this. This is a dream build. It's my first build. Very excited. Right now I'm currently at 11/10ths who are doing the build. We got Ted back there doing some work. My baby's up on the hoist. This is my diff right here. I've been horrible filming, posting, and doing all that stuff. We've had some serious hiccups in the road with COVID and whatnot, so things take a little bit longer, and I should have had my stuff together, but I'm not a professional. I do a lot of other things, and this is what it is. If you didn't know, I am in a wheelchair, so this is what makes this build really crazy, is the fact that it's going to be hand controlled with a DCT transmission. We'll get into all that later, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that things are about to get real crazy. Super excited, and I hope you guys stay along for the, or come along for the ride.